Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking. Joanna is my name. Today's video is actually a requested tutorial on how to make a shirt collar. Let's get straight to it. So guys, I'm first of all going to draft a pattern for the collar stand and then the collar itself using this cardboard paper that I have over here. So like this, the collar stand is actually 16 inches. So folding this, we're going to cut this on fold like this. So I'm going to fold my cardboard paper like this and then divide the 16 inches by 2. So that gives us 8 inches. 16 inches by 2. Remember, we are cutting on fold. So that gives us 8 inches. So mark that out. Okay guys, so now for the depth of the collar stand, I'm going to make it 1¼ inch or 1.25 inches. So that's what I'm marking for the depth of the collar stand. So I'll go ahead and extend the point after marking the point. I'll go ahead and then extend the lines like this. Okay, so now that you've achieved that, this is the collar stand. I just want to label it. This is the collar stand. All right, now from this side, I'm going to go in 0.75 inches. That is 3/4 of an inch like this. And then I'll come down also for that same side. I'll come down from the collar stand depth 0.75. And then you can use a freehand, or if I have a curve ruler, use that to shape it out. Okay, so I'll go ahead and then I'll extend the 8 inches line from the center of the collar that we're making. So I'll extend it upward like this. Okay guys, I'm going to continue with the collar stand. Now for this collar stand, I'm going to make it 2.5 inches. This is okay, but then you can go higher like 3 inches or lower, like about 2 inches or 2¼ inch. All right, so I marked 2.5 inches like this. Okay, now after this, I'm going to come down to the collar stand. Now the collar itself starts 1 inch away from the collar stand. The collar itself stands 1 inch, it starts 1 inch away from the collar stand like this. Okay, so I'll come in from the side as well on the top of the collar and then mark the 1 inch and join it together with the one at the down part like this. Okay guys, so now that you've achieved this, I make sure this is 2.5 inch at that side. Now I'll come to the center of it and then I'll go up 2 inches like this. Then I'm going to join it with my curve ruler like so, or you can use a freehand to do this. Okay guys, so this is how it came out. This is how it came out using my curve ruler. Okay, from this side I'm going to go out 1/2 inch like this and then I'll join the curve to it. Then I'm going to connect that point to the starting point of the color like this. Okay, the curve gave me a funny look, so I'm just trying to make things right. All right, so this is it. That is the color. I went ahead to label that as well. So basically we're done with the color. This is simple to draft, so I'm going to cut this out like you see me doing. Okay guys, so this is it. Now after getting the color, I'm going to use the color to cut that of my real fabric. Let's get straight to that. So guys, I went ahead to cut two pieces of the fabric for both the color stand, leaving half inch all round, and then for the color itself also leaving half inch all round. So like I said, two pieces for each of them. Okay, so on the wrong side of the fabric, I'm going to add interfacing to this. So you can use a hard gum stay or a medium one like that. So this is what I meant. So I've already applied that of the gum stay on one side of the piece. So just choose one piece and then attach the stiffener or your interfacing to it. So on the collar stand, I'll fold in half inch like this and then flat iron it just as you see me doing. I'll fold half inch on the one having the stiffener, then I'll take it to the sewing machine and stitch it down. So this is what I meant. I took it to sewing machine and stitched down the half inch that we have. Now I'll take the collar also to the sewing machine and then stitch the half inch seam allowance that we added to it. So I'm going to stitch that also down like this. So I'm just adding pins to it. So I'm going to stitch both of them together. I'm going to join the two color pieces that we have together with the seam allowance that has half inch seam allowance we attach to it. So that has also been done. I'll go ahead and then notch this all round. I'll notch that all round. Okay guys, so please if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, kindly click on the subscribe button. Click on the notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. Please like this video and share this video to your friends and family. Kindly leave a comment if you enjoyed watching this tutorial. Okay, so after notching the collar all around, I'm going to turn it to the right side of it. So with the help of my scissor or a pencil, I'm going to pull out the edgy part of the collar like so. Okay, now be careful the tool that you use in pulling out the edgy part of the collar, else you might end up piercing through the edgy part. All right. Okay, so after that has been done, go ahead and iron your collar to make it flat. So guys, this has been done. The color is ready. Now we are going to be fixing it in the color stand. Now, why the interfacing is where we are going to be placing together with the color stand. Before then, locate the center of the color and notch it, and then do same for the color stand as well. Fold it together to locate the center and then notch it so that you'll be able to match it when you're going to be sewing. Okay, so like I said, let the stiffener or let the interfacing be on the same path like what I'm showing you, and make sure the notched area matches together with that of the collar and then the collar stand. I'll go ahead and pin this down. I place the collar in between the two pieces of the collar stand, which of course one has the gum stay and the other one is just plain like so. I'll then take it to the sewing machine and then stitch this round with half of an inch seam allowance. Okay guys, so that is also being done. I'm going to notch this as well. I'll go ahead and then notch this. Okay, now caution here, when you are notching this, be careful you don't cut through the stitches. Okay. So after the notching, I'm going to turn this to the right side. I'm going to turn this to the right side. Okay, so that has also been done. I'm going to just flat iron it. So basically this is it. This is how to make the collar together with the collar stand. So guys, kindly subscribe if you haven't just subscribed to the channel. Like this video, leave a comment, share this video to your friends and family. This brings us to the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching. Keep being amazing wherever you are. Love you all. Bye.